Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we'll be talking about how to increase your chances of getting pregnant in 2024. I mean, so many couples, families, women have been trying so hard to get pregnant. But what if you have been doing it all wrong? What if you have been planning sex routines when you're not even within your fertile window? So on today's video, we'll be talking about how to increase your chances of getting pregnant in 2024 rightly. If this is content you're interested in, then keep watching. I'm Esther, your virtual midwife, and on to this channel, we'll talk about everything family health, pregnancy, and lifestyle. If you're new to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button so you'll be the first to know whenever we drop a new video. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to increase your chances of getting pregnant by using one particular method, which is by ovulation. You want to know ovulation is when a mature egg is being released from the ovaries for fertilization. And when this occurs, we'll say the woman is within her fertile window. Generally, the trick here is most women assume ovulation occurs on the 14th day, which is not so, as ovulation occurs 14 days before your next period. Ovulation only occurs on the 14th day for a woman with a 28-day cycle, when 14 days before her next period will be on the 14th day. You want to note the normal cycle length ranges from 21 days to 35 days. Anything above 35 days, you want to see your gynecologist. You have known your cycle length. Once you have known your cycle length range, whether you're having a 24-day cycle, a 22-day cycle, a 26 or a 28-day cycle, and you have known your ovulation day. For a practical example, for a woman with a 26-day cycle, remember I said ovulation occurs 14 days before your next period. So a woman with a 26-day cycle, her ovulation day will be on the 12th. So on the 12th is her ovulation day. On that day, a mature egg is being released from the ovaries for fertilization. There's an egg there waiting to be fertilized on that day 12. We also want to know that the male sperm can wait in the female system for up to 5 days, waiting for waiting for an egg to be released so it will be fertilized. So with this in mind, you want to start having sex 5 days before your ovulation day so as to widen your fertile window and increase your chances of getting pregnant. And that is why we are on this video for today. You can rewind, pause, and go back. Ovulation occurs 14 days before your next period. And we're taking an example for a woman with a 26-day cycle, where her ovulation occurs on the 12th. We'll say we want to start having sex 5 days before our ovulation day, since the male's sperm can last in the female system for up to 5 days. So for a 26-day cycle, we want to start having sex day 8, day 9, day 10, day 11, day 12, which is your ovulation day when there is a ready egg. Note, if you have sex on day 9, it's within those 5 days. That sperm will wait to be fertilized by the egg, which will be released on egg is being released on day 12. It will still be fertilized. Period. Why for a woman with a 28-day cycle, her ovulation day will be on the 14th. Her 14 days before her next period will be on the 14th. So now we understand that ovulation does not occur on the 14th day of the cycle for everyone, only for those having a 28-day cycle. For a woman having a 21-day cycle, 22-day cycle, a 35-day cycle, their ovulation days will vary, as ovulation occurs only on the 14th day before your next period. If you are interested on knowing on how to calculate your cycle length, to know your ovulation day, and for those having both regular or irregular periods, drop a comment below so I'll know when to drop a video on that for you. So you want to start having sex within this period so as to increase your chances of getting pregnant. There are other ways you can use to know when you are ovulating. One of those methods is using your basal body temperature. During ovulation, there is what we call the temperature dip. You can monitor this by having your check of your temperature every day within your cycle so as to know when you have this temperature dip. And when this occurs, you say you are ovulating. Another method to know if when you're ovulating is during ovulation, there is a cervical mucus, your cervical mucus produced from your vagina as shown above here. It's usually slimmer, as you see, it's usually slim, it's usually transparent, and you feel more bloated within this period. You have breast tenderness, you have increased urge for sexual activities. When this occurs, you want to know you are within your you are ovulating, and during this period you want to increase your sex routines. Do sex rightly. 2024, you do not just want to have sex, but you want to have sex within your fertile window, when you are most fertile, when there will be an egg to fertilize the sperms which are being sent into your system. So this is when you want to have sex within your fertile window and not just having sex within any period. If you found this video interesting and you want to have more content like this, then drop a comment below and we'll have more videos like this. Do well to give up a thumbs up